Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, today we're gonna be doing a harvest. We're gonna harvest bell pepper and eggplant. We've been getting a lot of rain lately and the bell pepper plant them is bowing. The eggplant, one of them over there split. So we got to harvest them now before we get more damage within the winter. So let's go over here. Right. Okay, this is pretty mature right here. Nice size. We have a next one right here. Okay. Gotta use the other knife. This one is pretty dull. Two nice eggplants so far. We got a bush that I can put them on top of it so far. We have two so far. There's a next one right here, pretty big. Oh wow, this one is pretty nice size. Put them close. Yeah, bring it close. Nice size. So let's go over this side and see what's over here first. Well, we have a lot down inside here. We have, okay, these, you see this one right here? One of them split yesterday. I tried to tie it back up. This one right here, it break. Right here break. So what I do, I tie it up and it's looking pretty good. So look one here again. This is the next one right here. Yeah. All right. We have a few more down here. Guys, I'm so enjoying this harvest because the way I designed this garden is not for me to harvest everything one time. It's for me to harvest them a little by little. So if I want to cook a meal, if I want to cook eggplant, I can just come out and harvest some eggplant. This is a nice black beauty right here. Okay, this is the next one right here. Look at them guys, you see? This is the next one right here. We're gonna harvest all these because we don't want to keep them no more, because what they're doing, they're creating weight, and the more weight they create is more the tree buried down itself. Look at the next one right here that we're gonna be harvesting as well. So okay, I think that's it for the eggplant today. I mean, now we have a few more. We have a few more right here, which is these two right here. We have one here. You know, sometimes we want them to mature and get big, but sometimes we got to look at the brightest picture. Allowing them to get big and heavy also cause them to break the limb. So we have a next one right here. Alright, so this is it for the eggplant. Let's gather them together and see how much we harvest today. Let's go over this side over here. This is our plate right here. This is where we're gonna put them. Let me gather the rest. Alright guys, so we have a beautiful eggplant harvest. which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go over to the bell pepper now and make our harvest. You know, let me walk with the pan. Alright, so what we're doing, we're going to be harvesting basically the macho bell pepper then. This one is pretty macho, but already start letting go. Wow. This one also. Wrong here. Come wrong here. We have a beautiful one here as well. Okay. So we have, okay, that's come around this side. Be careful how we come through here. We also have two nice beautiful one right here. All right. So guys, this is my harvest today. This is my harvest today. Wait, look at the next one right here. This is the next one right here. The truth is, I prefer them green like this and not too. I love to leave some of them to ripe because I love to get the macho-ness of the seed. But really and truly, I love them when they're not too ripe. I love to eat them when they're fresh and beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Peace.